If you'd like to collect structured data or perform calculations directly inside your form, the Spreadsheet widget in Jotform is a great tool. And here's how to use it. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Jotform website. Log into your account or sign up if you're new. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, go to your dashboard and open the form you'd like to edit. Inside the form builder, look to the left side of your screen and click Add Form Element. In the panel that appears, switch to the Widgets tab. You'll find a search bar at the top. Type in Spreadsheet and the Spreadsheet widget will appear. Now drag and drop it directly onto your form. Once added, click the settings icon on the widget to configure it. From here you can set the number of rows and columns, create custom headers, enable calculations, or even control how users can edit cells. When you're done adjusting your preferences, click Update Widget to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure your settings take effect. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized the Spreadsheet widget in Jotform. It's a simple way to bring spreadsheet functionality right into your forms, making data collection more interactive and efficient.